what is a dedicated sending domain, why would you use it, and how to set it up inside of your Klaviyo account. Coming up in this video tutorial, you may have heard about the buzz around setting up a dedicated sending domain for your e-commerce store because it can help you improve your email deliverability and sender reputation. But how exactly? Looking at this handy Klaviyo article to better understand the concept, you see, when you sign up to Klaviyo, your emails get sent via a shared domain with other e-commerce stores that also send emails from Klaviyo. In this example from Gmail, your recipients see that your sender email address includes via klaviyomail.com. Why? Because you're using a shared sending domain. In contrast, a dedicated domain allows you to send emails that appear to be coming out from your brand instead of Klaviyo. And once you set up yours, it will remove entirely the via klaviyomail.com message that is displayed beside your sender email address. But how does it help my email deliverability? Connecting a dedicated sending domain allows you to use your brand's domain name to send emails instead of a Klaviyo domain. It also allows you to build a sending reputation on your domain and limit any negative impact to your domain reputation and deliverability from shared senders. In other words, you are the only one that will send from your domain and thus affect your reputation, which in turn can help increase your email deliverability and landing in the primary folder. Now, let's see how to set up your dedicated sending domain step by step. All right, guys, moving over to Klaviyo so I can show you how you can set up your DSD or dedicated sending domain inside of Klaviyo. For that, we'll need to go to settings, click on email, and go to domains. Here, you want to click on get started, input your domain. Here, you can basically use this sending domain called send. That's fine. And this would get your process started, okay? So now what you need to do is add those records that you see here inside of your domain hosting website, right? Inside of that backend. So what you want to do is go to your backend of your hosting, whoever you bought the hosting of your site from. In my case is Namecheap. And what I'll do here is basically go to domain list, click on your domain, manage advanced DNS, and here you want to add the records that you see right here. Okay, so really do it step by step, and let's get started. Right here, you want to go to add record. Want to make sure the type of record is correct. So the first ones will be CNAME, the host would be sent. So copy this over, CNAME, send, and then the value. It might be called differently depending on your domain, depending on your web hosting service. But for our example, this is what we see. Let's copy the next one. Click save, add new record. This one is also CNAME. This is the host. And let's copy over the value. Okay. Let's do it for the third time. CNAME, host, drop it in here, and value. Hit save. And last one, TXT record. Oops, copy the wrong one. And this is the value. Okay, everything is here, perfect. Now we can click on verify records. Quick note here, this might take up to 48 hours. So if you see this error, try to refresh and try to verify records again, but it might take, as I said, up to 48 hours. So let's give it a try one more time. There we go. So the DNS records were verified, and this should wrap up your process. Click on apply domain, and you're all set. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't watched my other Klaviyo videos, I recommend checking out my playlist, which has tons of them. My team and I actually built an entire masterclass on how to scale your email and SMS marketing and we upload it to YouTube completely for free. You can go in there and binge watch them like Netflix. Boom, 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 boom. You're gonna learn a ton about managing your Klaviyo account, from flows to campaigns, deliverability, segmentation, and so much more. If you want to learn more about how to grow your e-commerce store, I recommend checking out my channel. I put a ton of free and incredibly valuable content up there for you guys. Please consider subscribing as well if you want to get regular updates on videos I release almost every day. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.